Most people think manufacturing businesses require huge factories, heavy machines, and crores of investment. That is no longer true. In this video, we are sharing 7 low-investment manufacturing business ideas that are practical, scalable, and relevant for the global market. Number 1. Modular electrical enclosures and control boxes. Modular electrical enclosures and control boxes are used to protect electrical components like breakers, relays, PLC, and wiring systems. These products are in constant demand in solar plants, EV charging stations, factories, data centers, and automation projects. The manufacturing process usually involves sheet metal cutting, bending, powder coating, and basic assembly, which keeps the initial investment relatively low. You can start with standard sizes and later move into custom designs based on customer requirements. The key advantage of this business is repeat B, 2B demand, and bulk orders. Customers care more about reliability, safety standards, and customization than branding. To start, you need basic fabrication equipment, electrical design, understanding, and compliance with international safety standards like IP ratings. This business scales well because once designs and tooling are ready, production becomes faster and margins improve with volume. Number 2. Lightweight thermal insulation boards. Lightweight thermal insulation boards are used to reduce heat transfer in homes, warehouses, cold storage units, factories, and commercial buildings. As energy costs rise globally, builders and industries are actively looking for insulation solutions that are affordable, easy to install, and environmentally friendly. These boards are usually made from materials like recycled fibers, mineral wool, EPS, or eco-friendly composites. Manufacturing does not require heavy machinery in the beginning. The process mainly involves material mixing, molding or pressing, curing, cutting, and surface finishing. You can start with standard board thicknesses and later expand into custom sizes for different applications. The target customers include construction contractors, real estate developers, industrial shed owners, and retrofit projects. This business works well because insulation is not a one-time trend. It is a long-term necessity driven by climate conditions and energy regulations. With proper quality control and certifications, this business can scale into international markets smoothly. Number 3. Recycled plastic storage products. Recycled plastic storage products are gaining strong demand globally due to sustainability regulations and rising awareness around circular economy practices. These products include storage bins, crates, boxes, pallets, and organizers used in homes, warehouses, retail backrooms, agriculture, and logistics. The manufacturing process typically starts with sourcing recycled plastic granules, followed by injection molding or blow molding, trimming, and quality inspection. One major advantage of this business is material cost control, as recycled plastic is cheaper than virgin plastic. You can begin with a limited set of high-demand SKU and gradually expand your product range. Customers usually buy in bulk, especially in B2B segments like warehouses and retail chains, which creates steady repeat orders. Branding can focus on durability, load capacity, and recycled content percentage rather than design alone. With consistent quality and standardized molds, this business can easily scale and enter export markets with predictable margins. Number 4. Water-saving bathroom fittings. Water-saving bathroom fittings such as aerators, flow restrictors, and smart shutoff valves are becoming essential products across residential, commercial, and public buildings worldwide. These fittings reduce water consumption without reducing user comfort, which makes them easy to sell. Manufacturing mainly involves plastic or brass components, precision molding or machining, rubber seals, and basic assembly. The investment remains low because machines are compact and production cycles are fast. Aerators can be standardized, while smart valves can be introduced later with sensor-based or timer-based technology. Target customers include real estate developers, hotels, hospitals, government projects, and retrofit installations. The business works well because water efficiency is increasingly regulated and often incentivized by governments. Certification and testing are important, but once approved, products move in high volumes. This business scales quickly because fittings are small, easy to ship internationally, and frequently replaced or upgraded. Number 5. EV charging cables and accessories manufacturing. Electric vehicle adoption is increasing rapidly across the world, and with it, the demand for EV charging cables and related accessories is growing silently but consistently. These products include charging cables, connectors, cable holders, wall mounts, protective covers, and adapters. Manufacturing in this segment can start at a basic assembly level, where certified connectors and cables are sourced and assembled, tested, and packaged. This keeps the initial investment manageable. Over time, you can move toward in-house cable molding and connector manufacturing. The key customers are EV owners, charging station operators, fleet companies, and residential builders. Quality, safety standards, and certification play a bigger role than branding in the early stages. This business works well because EV accessories are repeat purchase items due to wear, upgrades, and new vehicle models. As EV infrastructure expands globally, this manufacturing segment offers long-term stability and export potential. Number 6. Waterless shampoo powder and toothpaste tablets. Waterless personal care products like shampoo powder and toothpaste tablets are emerging as a strong global trend driven by sustainability, travel convenience, and plastic waste reduction. These products eliminate the need for liquid packaging, preservatives, and heavy bottles, making them ideal for export and eco-conscious consumers. Manufacturing involves dry formulation blending, granulation or tablet pressing, drying, and hygienic packaging. The setup cost is relatively low because it does not require complex liquid processing lines. Raw materials are easily available, and formulations can be developed for different hair types and oral care needs. Target customers include urban consumers, travelers, gyms, hotels, and subscription-based brands. Branding and education play a key role, as the concept is still new in many markets. This business scales well because products are lightweight, have long shelf life, and are easy to ship internationally. With proper compliance and clean labeling, margins can be attractive. Number 7. Solar outdoor lighting products. Solar outdoor lighting products are evolving far beyond basic garden lights and are becoming smart infrastructure components for cities, campuses, highways, and commercial properties. Manufacturing can start with solar adaptive pathway lights that adjust brightness based on movement, saving energy while improving safety. Solar emergency signal pole lights add extra value by switching to flashing or alert modes during accidents or emergencies, making them useful for highways and remote locations. Solar smart boundary lighting systems help define property limits while also acting as security lighting with motion detection. Solar self-cleaning streetlights solve a major problem in dusty and industrial areas by maintaining panel efficiency without manual cleaning. Solar wayfinding and directional light markers guide pedestrians, cyclists, and vehicles using illuminated symbols instead of text. Manufacturing mainly involves assembly of solar panels, batteries, controllers, LED modules, and housings, keeping investment moderate. Demand is driven by smart city projects, sustainability goals, and off-grid infrastructure, making this business highly scalable globally.